Nature is a perfect metaphor to help us understand how our earthly lives shape our spirit, that shape our soul. We are all born with some corruption in our soul, and it is through this earthly process that we are able to become a better spirit, to become more virtuous, to become more caring, more loving, more generous, more humble. And water is a perfect metaphor for that. 10 years ago, this stream flowed over the tops of this granite. And after 10 years, the water has cut its way through the granite. As an earthly life cuts away the sharp edges of our character and makes us more gentle, more loving, and more caring.
Even the hardest rock can't survive the persistence of water. That gives us the symbol that even the hardest and most brutal and horrible people will one day, after a few incarnations, be worn down to be a loving, caring soul that can live in this world as a symbol for God's love and God's caring.